First rates, and I'll let the screen do all the talking here. First rates, any second now, we are in for a flat start, at least on benchmark indices. Flat means it's not it is in line with what global markets actually of late have done. I'm just looking at the first rates in terms of individual stocks where the volume activity is there. I think the block deal in Aster DM is done. I can see it on my screen. CDSL, the block deal is done. I can again see it on my screen. 2 block deals which have been done. Flash them up, please. Reliance Power is off to a good start. 3% higher for Reliance Power. GMR Airport, 2% higher. So if airlines will do well, airports will also do well. I mean, isn't that simple? It's at 80 rupees right now. Then you got a strong uptick in Gujarat Pipavav, 1% higher for Gujarat Pipavav. I think that is also, chugging along very smartly. The odd ones out, if I'm looking at the screen, there is Hindustan Media Ventures trending up on strong volumes. There is Pratap Snacks, news driven. They've opened a plant in Jammu Kashmir. Frankly, the earnings will not change because of that, but markets are celebrating that they're expanding. And then HDFC Bank is up for a change 1%. ABB, because of that upgrade. My personal view is that the stock is expensive, but markets are markets. In the near term, that brokerage upgrade in a sense is having an impact on the stock, which is up 4%.
Shriram Finance, that's likely to see about a $271 million of inflows as part of the NSE rejig. So look out for that stock. We highlighted that Wokhard has had some of the marquee names as participants in its QIP. Madhusudan Kela, Prashant Jain, and Inam as well. That stock has gapped up 5% in trade right now. Angel One QIP as well opens, a sizable one, 1,500 crore rupees. Look out for that. That stock a little bit tempered, 1.5% lower as we speak right now in trade. We were just, of course, flagging off both Aster DM as well as CDSL as the block deals. I want to see what Macrotech as well is up to. Earlier today, Somit was flagging off Jeffrey's note after the management meet, and they're pretty bullish on this one. They're talking about a potential $175 to $200 billion gross development value in the next foreseeable future, and that equates to about 600 million square feet of saleable area estimates. Macrotech, of course, is in focus. ABB, Nikunj was just highlighting that stock. That's also in focus right now. Bunch of other names. There's Piramal Enterprises too. There's a fund infusion of about 2,000 crore rupees in one of its subsidiaries via rights issue that they're looking out. Rights for Uno Minda as well, so look out for that stock. Deepak Fertilizers, wherein there is a pact for land agreement. They're looking to build lease at Vashi. The quantifiable area equates to about almost over 53 odd crore rupees. Deepak Fertilizers higher by about almost 1% as we speak right now. And then Sham Metallics as well, wherein the JV has received an LOI from the Maharashtra government. Bunch of these stocks which are in focus this morning. But for the Nifty, it continues very, very tempered, and the large caps once again are lagging what the broader markets have been doing. Kunal, anything that's popping up on your radar though in terms of a trend or trade?
So yeah, I think the start still looks a little more positive for large cap names this time around. So that's a change for the overall market trend. Now, in terms of a stock pick at current levels, I think Indian Hotels is something which started to look very attractive. The stock has come back towards a corrective zone, 560, 565. It's approximately where the stock is trading right now, and at the cusp of a breakout of a downward sloping trend line. So that looks attractive.
Nuresh, what about you? What's your first trade?
Continue to like metals as a pack and sail on dips to 130, 128 is what I would be watching out for as a buy going forward in the day.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.